Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create a smooth slow motion video on CapCut PC. Super simple. You're just going to add in your video, go to speed. So if you're on video, go to speed up here and move this to the left to make it slower. Then you are going to add in the smooth slow motion. So check this bit right here and select optical flow instead of frame blending, because it's going to make the smooth slow motion have a better quality, and you're just going to wait for the video to process. It does take longer though if you choose optical flow rather than frame blending, but that is basically it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!